Wherever there is a disaster, Tzu Chi volunteers will do their best to get to those in need. In Penang, Malaysia, a fire caused by faulty wiring in a housing complex, which rekindled after it was put out, torched 3 families' homes in just 5 minutes. An employee of the local Jinsi Books and Cafe witnessed the blaze and quickly notified local Tzu Chi volunteers, who showed up promptly with aid.
Though several fire engines showed up to battle the blaze, they could not save the 30-year-old home of Haslina and her family, which burned down in just 5 minutes. Thankfully, Penang's Tzu Chi volunteers promptly showed up with aid and love.
I'm very touched to see that people of a different ethnic group show up to help us. I'm truly touched, even though I have lost so much.
Fortunately, no one was injured or killed. Haslina's young brother says, due to work, he often makes deliveries to the local Jinsi Hall and is thus familiar with Tzu Chi and its volunteers.
Before, I only knew that Tzu Chi is an organization that does charity work, but I didn't know their love is universal. I only learned today that Tzu Chi helps all in need, regardless of their race.
Thanks to Tzu Chi volunteers' prompt response, the 5 victims are given the strength to rebuild their lives.